In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at this new product here called Viral News Hacker. So I'll show you the members area, we'll briefly go over the sales page, and then I'll share with you some custom bonuses that I spent a couple of hours putting together for you this morning. Now, in terms of this product, I'm really impressed with this, and not only am I impressed with the software and how quick and easy it is all, to get everything set up and running, I'll also share with you some different ways how you can make money with this, because I went ahead and purchased a website a couple of days ago. I went ahead and purchased this one here, this one here. You can see buyer, this is me. I bought this website for $220, and there's lots of people who are selling these sorts of websites over on Flipper, and I'll show you some examples of this and how you can make money with this, because if you're going to go ahead and buy this, you'll want to know how to make money with it. So we'll come back to that at the end. But let's go ahead and have a look at Viral News Jacket and what do what's included, etc. So where the hell is it? So this is inside of the members area. So let's briefly go over to the sales page. So let's have a look at our headline here. Set and forget automated income sites pulling 3 figures in passive profits daily. We'll scroll down here. So these are the benefits of this. So turn 100% free traffic into profits. I agree with that. Beginner friendly method, 100%. Viral social and search engine traffic built in. You never have to pay for ads again. Yeah. Profit scaling, cash in. Yeah. One-time set, I agree with this. It's one-time setup for years of recurring passive income and effortlessly create streams of income and build your email list. So all of this is true. Will it happen overnight? Maybe not. It'll take some time and effort, but ultimately all of this here is pretty much true. Now if we scroll down here, we've got short steps. So 3 simple steps: activate the software, launch your site, get viral free traffic. It sounds so simple, doesn't it? Now if we come down here, this is the sales page. It's a sales page, let's be honest, we're going to see big numbers on here and testimonials on here. If we scroll down here, let's just go down here really quickly, let's go to what's actually included with this. Come down here. So what do you not need? So you do not need an email list, you do not need any tech skills. The traffic is 100% free and it's automated. That's why I love this. You can create multiple sites with this in multiple niche and it takes less than 5 minutes to set up. Probably not true. Probably take you about 10-15 minutes if you're doing this from scratch. But if you already know, some of the basics of websites and things, it can take 5 minutes. But if you're brand new, probably realistically 15-20 minutes. Now scroll down here, we've got consistent paydays down here, more testimonials. This is it. So Viral News Jacket, so free traffic, automated sites, and daily income. And this is one of the reasons why I went ahead and purchased this over here a couple of days ago, because it's hands off, and anything that I don't need to spend time with and it just runs on autopilot, then I'm all for that. So if you're a long time viewer of the channel, done for you solutions and things like that, I always recommend them. And this is the same with this one here. So look, this is the sales page. I'll drop a link to this below. Feel free to go ahead and check it out. But let me show you inside the members area and what's included with this. So this is inside the members area. So you've got a welcome video here. You've got a VIP members workshop here. So click here to supercharge your income. So they'll be sending you over to a webinar where they'll do you extra training and other bits on here. Now if you scroll down here, you've got the plugin, you've got the WordPress theme, and then we've got an access to the YouTube channel here. So these are your 2 products. This is the software. You get the plugin and you also get the theme. And I'll show you both of these in a second and how it looks. Scroll down here, you have got the overview and the training of this. So all of these little steps here. So how to install the Viral News Jacket software, setting this up, the appearance of this, connecting to news sources, creating campaigns, sharing to Facebook, etc, etc. And if you scroll down here, this is what I absolutely love about this product as well. You've got all these additional bonuses here, but if you scroll further down the page here, you've got more freebies here. So you've got download all of our past products. So they're giving you past products for free. Let me click on here, I'll show you this. Opens up over here. Look, you get access to these for free. You get this product, this one, this one, and this one. So you're getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 additional courses included in this for free. Then if we also scroll down here, they've also included additional videos for you. So what this one here, make huge commissions with high ticket offers. We've then got $100 a day from untapped traffic. This one, and this down here basically. So this is inside the members area. But what is it that you're purchasing? Well, you're purchasing software which will automate websites for you, and they've done a couple of example websites for you. So this is the first one. This one here, this is a website based around Donald Trump and the White House. You can see this is how the website looks. It looks very professional, and this is just an example website. So if you scroll up here, you can see there's an ad here. So this is where you could add in your own advertisements. You could add in products on here. But you see, it all looks very professional, very clean, and it runs on autopilot. So once you set this up, you do not have to do anything with this. Essentially, you'd try and drive traffic to this, but what it also does within the software is it comes with built-in social syndication. So when this all updates, it will, share it over to Facebook pages for you. And the other thing what I like about this is it's got a content spinner included inside the software, so it's pretty cool stuff. We've got another website over here which is viral news, so all the top stories from around the world. You can go ahead and have a look at all of this, and you can change this into categories and other bits. But once you set this up, it, like I mentioned, it runs on autopilot for you. And how this works is it works using something called an RSS feed. So basically, there's hundreds of websites around the world where they have an RSS feed, and you can take the RSS feed and you can pull in their articles over onto your website. And normally what you have to do is you have to leave a link, below saying article originally found on this website here or that website there. But what this software does is you can actually, it's got a built-in WordPress spinner, so it will spin the original article and create you a brand new article included in the software. So it's really good stuff, and I highly recommend this, and purely because of not only does the websites look great on here, but do it once, set it up, and it will run on autopilot. You don't need to play around with this. This is one example of your website. This is another example of your website, and I think you'll agree it looks pretty good, doesn't it? And the fact that you hands off approach, I just love this sort of stuff. Now if we go back over here, here. So those are all the products that you get included. This is in here. So that is pretty much everything that you get included with this. So you get all of the training, you get the theme, you get the software, you get all of the additional bonuses which we looked at over here, which was all of these past products here, and then also you get all of these additional methods down here to make money online. Okay, so let me just give you a couple of examples of how you can actually go ahead and make money with this. So the first one is obviously you could go ahead and create these sites yourself, and you can put advertisements on here like this one here. You can put Google ads on here. You can put ClickBank products, Warrior Plus products. You could even do t-shirt design and merch and all this sort of stuff. Another simple way that you could make money with this is over on this website here, which is what I showed you earlier. It's this one here. It's called flippercom. Now in here, I've just gone ahead and looked at the starter websites. Now you can see on here, this is a website. It's called newsonbank.com. Scroll down here. Let me show you this here. So this is the website. So you could go ahead and purchase this today, and it will cost, so it's got a reserve of $79, and it's on a bidding thing. So let me show you the actual website. So this here is the website, and this is all done automated. So this is someone who's got a plugin like the one that you're going to get today, and they're selling these websites. Now if I scroll down here, you can see where it looks fully automated news site ready for 100% passive income from AdSense, Amazon and ClickBank. So this is someone who is building websites like what we've looked at today, and they're selling their listings over on Flipper. Now you can see on here so far is it got 100% positive feedback from 446 sales, and that has earned him coming up to $35,000 from literally setting up these and selling them over on Flipper. And all of this is just done very similar to what we've looked at on viral traffic. It's just building these websites here and selling them, and you're not really building them because you connect the software, go through, put everything in that you want, so decide on the niche, and then literally click on publish, and it'll start automating this whole process for you. Go back over here to Flipper. So you can see on here, I've gone over to this person's profile over here, this one here, and had a look at his other listings by the seller, and these are all of the additional products that he's selling. So look, news on property, buy it now, $100. News on bank is the one we just looked at, $100. Car news, $90. News, $100. $95. Look again, SEO news, $100, $100. Here, look, all of these are all automated. And this is what Viral News Jacket allows you to do. So you could go ahead and create these websites, and then once you've got them done and up and running, you can come over to sites like Flipper and sell them. Literally sell them for $100, $200, however much you want to sell them for. But this software will allow you to go ahead and create these websites, and you just pick your niche and then go ahead and literally you can sell them on Flipper, you can sell them on Fiverr, you can sell them on many other marketplaces, or you can run them your own and drive traffic to them that way. But this is Viral News Jacker, so that is everything that you get included with this. Now let me show you some bonuses that I've put together if you decide to go ahead and pick this up today using the link down below, and then I'll tell you exactly how much this is all going to cost. So let me show you the bonuses now. Okay, so these are the bonuses that I spent a couple of hours putting together for you this morning. These include video courses, we've got ebooks in here, and we've also got softwares. So let me run through these for you, and you'll get all of these today for free using the link down below. So the first one is called Instant Traffic System. Now this here, if I just scroll down here, you can see how to become a traffic expert. It covers 5 different options for you. Now you don't have to do all of these, you can pick a couple of these and then drive traffic to your website using these. So we've got email traffic, we've got Facebook, forum, Pinterest and YouTube. So in total there's 5 different video modules in here, and you can go through and pick, what I would say is pick a couple and just drive traffic using these. Personally, I would say focus on the Pinterest video and also the YouTube one. So if you scroll down here, you'll get access to all of those. The second bonus I've got for you is called the Boost Your Website Traffic. Now in here, again, I've tried to include a complete mix. So we've got how to increase traffic to your website using free and also paid methods. And then there's also an additional bonus in there, which is 5 quick wins to drive traffic on here. So if we scroll down here, this is what's included within the course. So what have we got on here? Using social media networks to gain more followers, how to drive traffic from forum links, guest blogging, we've then got email marketing, and we've also got some additional options for paid advertising if you want to go down that route. Now here are some additional things that are included in here. So you've got a checklist, you've got a cheat sheet, you've got a lead magnet pack, we've got even included articles, and then if I scroll further down here, you've got sales videos on here, you've got social media, so there's lots of stuff included in this bonus here for you. Bonus number 3 is called Modern Marketing. Now this here will show you how to drive traffic using a number of social media platforms. So if you scroll down here, again, all of this here, you'll see everything that's included in here. You've got videos in here, you've got cheat sheets again, look, you've got all of this included in here. All this is included within the bonus. There's a video grade package in here as well. Bonus number 4 is called Social Signals. Now this here, it will show you why you should be using social signals for your website and how important they are in the eyes of Google, because social signals, they will help your website to rank, and it's just an indicator to Google that, you know, in order for a website or a page to rank on Google, not only do they need traditional backlinks, but you also need social signals, and social signals are just becoming more and more popular to rank articles over on Google. Now if I scroll down here, you can see on here, discover the insider secrets behind Google and their algorithm. If I scroll down here, this is an ebook. So inside the ebook, you'll learn, what are social signals, what Google says about them, and basically absolutely everything you need to know about social signals and why you should be using them. If I scroll down here, bonus 5 is Twitter viral traffic. So this is a piece of software, and what this does is it allows people to basically, if they land on your blog or your website, in order for them to go ahead and read the article, they need to share that on Twitter. And it's not only is it a backlink or a social link, it's also getting more exposure for you because people are sharing it on Twitter, so you're driving more traffic that way. And then we've got bonus number 6, which is called Pop-Up Pro. And again, it's a piece of software, this plugin, you install it on your website. And if I scroll down here, this is some of the features about this. So it's 100% responsive and it's a pop-up design. And you can use this pop-up, you can see down here, create a pop-up which can promote your Facebook page. So you can drive traffic over to your Facebook page. We've got Twitter, this Instagram here, and it's a really simple and easy to use pop-up. And it comes with lifetime updates. And then finally, I'm going to give you access to all of the vendor bonuses. So we've got a private Facebook support group. We've also got the Viral News Quick Start Checklist, and there is also an additional course which is called Traffic Domination. And everything is covered by a 100% 30-day money-back guarantee. So in conclusion, you'll go ahead, you'll get all of these 3 bonuses here from the vendors. You'll then get my softwares, courses, ebook, etc. All these bonuses here that we've already run through, you'll get access to all of these. And then obviously with inside of viral news jacket, you'll get all of the training, you will get the plugin software, you'll also get the WordPress theme, you'll then get the additional courses, so all of their past products, so you'll get these 6 additional courses here, and all of these are full courses as well, and this will cost you $22.97. Now this product launched yesterday and it's currently on a dime sale. So if you don't know what that means is, every time somebody purchases this, the cost will go up by a couple of cents, and it's currently capped at $35. So if you're watching this in like a month from now or a couple of weeks from now, the most you'll ever pay for all of this is $35. If you're watching this today or in a couple of hours from when I've uploaded this, realistically you'll be paying, $22.99, $23, something like that. But either way, even if you're paying the top end for this or the bottom end for all of these 6 courses here, all of my bonuses, all of the vendor bonuses, all of the training in here, and then obviously the software and the WordPress theme, and then all these additional bonuses here, I think you'll agree it's pretty good value for money. So how do you go ahead and get access to all of these bonuses if you purchase this? Well, it's really simple. Once you go ahead and you purchase this, you simply come over here to Warrior Plus. You go up here and you click on My Purchase History. You then scroll down and you'd find here, so it would say Viral News Jacket. You simply click on here and then it will open up and you'll see a big blue box which says Access Affiliate Bonus, this one here, and it will take you over and then you'll get access to all of my bonuses which we've just gone through over on this page. So that is the front end products. Those are all of the bonuses. Now, like any of these courses online, they always come with additional upgrades, and I'll run you through these very quickly. So OTO number 1 is unlimited version, so it allows you to create unlimited viral news sites and install on unlimited domains. Now you've got 2 options. There's a $97 option and then there's a down sale to $47. Out of all of these upsells, this is probably the only one I would recommend, and if you do pick this up, I'd recommend that you get the down sale at $47 because you're going to save $50 and still get all of this here. So that's OTO number 1. So the front end product, it comes with you get absolutely everything that we've covered already, and it allows you to go ahead and create one of these websites. Now if you go with this OTO here, it will give you unlimited amounts. OTO number 2 is done for you profit themes. Now normally I go ahead and I recommend these done for you options, but realistically it's just a WordPress theme, and for $97 or $67 I wouldn't bother, because the theme that it comes with over here, this theme here, it's absolutely fine. As you saw with the websites that we looked at earlier, they look very good, they look professional and slick, so I wouldn't bother with that one, to be absolutely honest with you. OTO number 3, it says it's automated traffic flow. Being absolutely clear, I don't know what this is. They haven't explained this anywhere in the JV doc, or we've not seen this. So would I recommend this? No, because I don't know what this is. I'm guessing it's going to allow you to drive additional free traffic, but if you use all the bonuses that I've given you, that will cover the traffic part for you. OTO number 4 is called Tube Traffic Jacker. Again, $67, down sale to $47. No, do I recommend it? No. OTO number 5, triple threat traffic, 67 and 47. Again, probably not recommend that. And then finally, you've got OTO 6, which is license rights, and that basically means you can go ahead, purchase this, and market yourself. And then if anybody was to go ahead and purchase any of these additional upgrades, then you would earn, you'd earn these commissions here. But is that relevant to this product? Probably not if you're not into affiliate marketing. So in terms of the OTOs, you do not need any of these to make money or to get this all up and running. The only one that I would recommend is this one here, which is OTO number 1. And if you are going to go ahead and get this, then save yourself some money and get the down sale of $47, and then you can basically create unlimited viral news websites. So that is today's video. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please give the video a like. If you've got any comments or questions, leave them down below. But please do remember, if you do go ahead and purchase this, then to get access to all of the bonuses, it is literally really simple. Go to Warrior Plus, go over to My Purchases, find Viral News Jacket, and then come down to Access Affiliate Bonus. If you click on here, it will take you over to my blog, and you'll get instant access to all of these bonuses that we run through earlier. So thanks again, have a great day, I'll see you tomorrow.